Okay, so we are going to determine if two functions are inverses of each other. And so the way that we do that is we do the f of x, f of g of x, and then g of f of x. So we do f of g of x, and then g of f of x. And when they are equal to x, that tells us that they are inverses of each other. So this is our function composition. So this fog, it looks like fog. It's really f of g of x. I think that's the easier way to look at it. And then golf is g of f of x. So we're going to do each one of those. When they equal x, when they both equal x, then they're inverses of each other. So determine if the following functions are inverses. So we have f of x equals 1/2 x minus 2, and then g of x equals 2x plus 4. So we're going to do f of g of x. Then we're going to do g of f of x. So f of g of x is when you do f of, we plug in the g function, 2x plus 4, into the f function. So an easy way to remember this is, see how f is the first letter? So you go to your f function. And that's how you start your equation. So we're going to do 1/2 and plug in this 2x plus 4. And don't forget the end of the f function, which says minus 2. Okay, so we want to distribute and simplify. So distribute. 1/2 times 2. Well, what is half of 2? Y'all tell me. 1. So it's just 1x. And then 1/2 times 4. What's half of 4? 2. So plus 2. Carry down the minus 2. Then we simplify. 1x plus 2 minus 2. What happens with plus 2 minus 2? They cancel each other out. They zero each other out. So that it's 0. So all we have left is 1x, or we can just say x. So the f of g of x equals x. So that's good. We're on the right track for them to be inverses. So now we've got to do the g of f of x. Now we're reversing it. We're plugging in the f function into the g function. Okay, so I'm going to go over here. So g of f of x means g of the f function, 1/2 x minus 2. So since the g is first, I'm going to start it with the g function. So this is 2. But we're plugging in, instead of saying x, I'm going to plug in the f function, 1/2 x minus 2. And then don't forget from the g function, it says plus 4. Okay, so we want to distribute and simplify. So distribute 2 times half is 1. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. And then just carry down the plus 4. We're going to simplify that. So negative 4 plus 4 is 0. So that leaves us with equals x. 1x is just x. So g of f of x equals x. So because both of these equal x, they are inverses. F of x and g of x are inverses. So all we had to do was the composition of both. Since they both equaled x, they are inverses of each other. That's all we had to show. Okay, let's do the second one. It says, determine if the following functions are inverses of each other. So we have to do the same thing, the f of g of x and the g of f of x. So f of g of x. And then we do g of f of x. So f of the g function is 1/4 x plus 6. So since it has the f function first, we're going to start the equation with the f function. So 4x plus 24. But x is the 1/4 x plus 6. And then I got to go ahead and write plus 24. Okay, distribute. 4 times 1/4. It's 1, so 1x. 4 times 6. 24. And then plus 24. So we have 1x plus 24 plus 24. Add these up. So can they be inverses if it's x plus 48? No. So this was f of g of x equals that. So since it doesn't equal x, they are not inverses. F of x and g of x are not inverses. And the reason is because f of g of x does not equal x. So we were able to save a little bit of time because we knew that f of g of x doesn't equal x. We didn't even go and try to do g of f of x because we already know they can't be inverses because the first one doesn't equal x.